Today, we are living in a society full of machines. Everywhere we go, far or near, fast or slow, by the road or by the air, we are using those machines that need energy. Most of them are using conventional energy such as coal, oil, gas, or electricity. Talking about oil and gas, there are 1,000, even 100,000 times or thrilled to find them. And one of the biggest oil and gas discovery in Australia is El Dorado. Hi, we are from El Dorado team, not as an oil and gas field discoveries, but as a group of youth who has a dream of El Dorado elevation due for energy transition in Indonesia. We don't know how many time left before the due date of conventional energy sources. We are too comfort to use this kind of sources as if we forget about the negative impact produced. In fact, now the CO2 concentration in the atmosphere has increased by 47% since the beginning of industrial age. The global temperature has now started to rising and is expected to reach 1.5 degrees Celsius in 2030. Many of cities with massive civilization such as Tokyo, Cairo, Bangkok, even Jakarta and the smallest island in Indonesia could sink because of seawater level rises. It is not a joke or a fairy tale or a sci-fi movie that we used to watch in television. It is scientific evidence, a bitter truth that slowly and continuously haunting us every day. On the other hand, for the record, 2 out of 3 electricity in Indonesia are generated from coal steam power plant, and to produce 1 megawatt hour, it is pollute the air that we breathe with up to 1 ton carbon dioxide. Ironically, even though we have used energy sources that pollute our environment, there are still some areas in Indonesia that have not been covered by this energy source, especially the electricity. According to the statistical data from BGES Indonesia, Nusa Timur region has an electrification ratio of 56%. A day without a cell phone, internet, or even a lamp in the dark night, can't you imagine? Even more astonishingly, 21 out of 22 districts in Nusa Timur still use firewood as the main source of fuel for their daily cooking. How long does it take us to make a fire for cooking, compared to just turning on the gas stove with one touch? And we are talking about a truth that is still running among our society. So, there are 3 main problems that we're facing right now. It is, how do we maximizing the potential that already given by nature for our lives? How to generate electricity equity for everyone? And how do we combat the climate change and develop an energy transition? Therefore, we offering a solution in the form of use of biomass gasification engine system method to increase electrical capacity and combine SSA-SSF method to produce bioethanol in corn and rice in Nusa Timur province, Indonesia. To overcome 3 important points that we are currently facing together, supply the energy needs and electricity equity with renewable energy that supports the energy transition to achieve Indonesia energy sustainability. According to the statistical data from BPS Indonesia, the production of agriculture sector, especially the corn and the rice, are very high. Based on that potential, we can use the remaining unused part of the plant, the corn cobs and the rice husk. The farmer usually use the rice husk for the mixture of their animal food, but if we implement this solution, it could be way more valuable. So, here it is the flow diagram for the BGES to produce the electricity. The gasification method was chosen because of its high efficiency value, which is around 33%. And this is the flow diagram for the SAA-SSF to produce bioethanol. The production of bioethanol uses this method because this method has a simple processes, with the main processes being the manufacture of enzymes and hydrolysis. the rising value of the product projected in the simulation diagram based on the statistical data from 2016 up to 2020 production. And the impact that we could project are from the societal aspect. And from the environmental aspect. From the economics aspect. Decarbonization and use of clean energy is a clear sign for the future. There is only one Earth to live, and the future is now. El Dorado signing out. Thank you for watching.